everybody, I just wanted to show you real quick this really nice 1890s SS Stewart banjo. Let's take a look at it for a second here. It's got somewhat fancy inlay. You know, I like plain banjos mostly, but I actually really like this banjo a lot. I think the inlay that is on it is really quite tasteful, which is usually the case with the Stewart ones. A lot of them, even the ones that are real glitzy and stuff, it's always, I think, it's some of the more tasteful inlay that they put on instruments like these. So Sam Stewart was the guy who started the company. I want to say in about 1878 is when he first is thought to have started making banjos, if I recall correctly. This one is from the 1890s. There's a couple ways you can tell, but I'm just guessing that, and I think I'm probably right. It's got some maker's marks on the inside. The serial number there, and I think that peghead shaped maker's mark right here, my understanding is that was done in the late 1880s, so this is later than 88, 89, something like that, probably from the 90s. Somebody would know for sure from the serial number, but I don't know. The other thing, it's got these those probably ebony wedges in here, these two little wedges that help secure the neck. There's better ways to secure the neck in a banjo, but I've seen a lot worse ways, and that's how my other two banjos that I play every day that I own are like that. This banjo currently belongs to a private collection, and I'm trying to move it for somebody, and I've probably got somebody who's going to buy this banjo, so I'm not currently offering it for sale, but that may change, but I think this is probably sold. It does have this is not a real skin head. This is one of those imitation heads. I'm not sure if this is actually a fiber skin head, but it is a fake skin head. And whatever it actually is, it is one of the nicer fake skin heads I've seen. I really like this banjo. I would actually keep this and play this for my own. I think it's a really nice banjo. Really nice banjo. I'll probably play it a little bit more for you.
If trouble don't kill me, I'll live a long time. Live a long time, boys, live a long time. If trouble don't kill me, I'll live a long time.
Really nice SS Stewart banjo from the 1890s. I think it's really nice, and I won't pester y'all too much more. Oh, let's show the heel cap a little bit. I guess that's looks like it's ebony, maybe rosewood, probably ebony heel cap. Really nice banjo. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you with that. Thanks for looking, thanks for your contributions, and you'll see me again real soon.